everyone, it's me Kashish Jain. Hope you all doing good. I am here with a new video which is in my own voice because it will help you a lot to learn every step, so don't miss any step. And yes, before starting tutorial, do subscribe my channel and press bell icon so you guys will get notification for more tutorials like this. It will only take 3 seconds to do. So without getting late, let's start. I'm using this toner which is a sandalwood mist, and this is from Beautify by Nature. I must say this is very amazing toner.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Next, applying moisturizer on eye area.
The storms we chase are leading us.
Next, I'm going to apply eye base on eyes, and I'm using PAC Spotlight Concealer in shade 01. I'm using flat brush.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Next, I'm going to blend it using a kabuki brush.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
So let's start with eye makeup. I'm using this eye palette which is from Be Unique, and shades are super pigmented as you can see it. I'm going to take a transition orange shade. Blend it nicely, and this time I'm using a small blending brush. Next, I'm using this medium brown shade. You can also use maroon shade, it will also look good.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on.
Right now I'm using a blending brush which is from Belly. Now I'm using this FS concealer for creating crease.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
go. Doing same on other eye. So next, here we go with a green shade, and I'm going to apply it on eyeball area using a flat brush. Whenever you have to apply anything, always use flat brush.
turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands.
I'm blending it with a brown shade.
We'll go
Next, I'm using this royal blue shade in outer corner.
till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Same on other eye. This time again using a flat brush because I'm applying the product. Blending it with a green eyeshadow. So next I'm using yellow eyeshadow in a corner. Again using a flat brush because I have to apply product. Blending it with green.
Yeah.
Now I'm using gel liner which is from Inglot, and I'm using liner brush to create a perfect wing. apply it smoothly. I add some essential oil in it. Now giving finishing touch. Now I'm doing mascara. So here is my favorite part, which is eyelashes, and I'm using this eyelashes from Victoria's Secret. I used this pack glue to stick my eyelash. Adding some highlighter. Using this moisturizer, which is from Cetaphil, and this is for all skin types. Apply it nicely. Next, I'm going to use this primer, which is from Makeup Studio, and this is liquid base primer. So next, I'm using this Makeup Studio Face Set, which is a HD foundation. I'm applying it using a concealer brush. The shade which I'm using is a warm beige shade. Next, I'm using this Huda Beauty Tentor in shade medium to contour face. I'm applying contour using an angled brush. Next, I'm blending it using a fluffy brush. You can use any fluffy brush. You can also use sponges as well. Blending and blending. Next, I'm doing highlighting using same product Face Set, and this shade is yellow. Highlight will make a big difference. As you can see now, we can see the contour very sharp. Next, I'm blending it with a small kabuki brush. I'm dabbing all the products. I'm setting the base using a loose powder. I'm using Huda Beauty loose powder in shade Pound Cake. Here we go with my favorite part, which is eyebrow defining, and for defining I'm using this Anastasia pomade in shade dark brown, starting with the arch, making it look natural, not so artificial. Always start your defining with arch. We are almost done with defining. Now going to blend all the product using a spoolie brush. Here we go with a Color Crush white kajal. Next, I'm using black kajal from same brand Color Crush. I'm going to blend it with a dark blue shade. You can also use green as well, it will also look good. blending it using a blue shade, and in inner corner I used a light blue shade to make it more elegant. Going to do same on other eye, blending it using a blue shade. Using this mascara which is from You Can Be, and I must say this is super affordable. I'm using this as an eyebrow fixer. You can also use this as an eyebrow fixer. Now I'm using bronzer to bronze my nose area. Using same palette for blush on. This is Beauty Queen blush on palette. It's my most favorite palette. Next I'm going to use this Geena Glam Golden Highlighter. You will got it on Amazon. This looks very subtle on face. You can also use Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Next I'm using this makeup fixer which is from MAC. And now we are going to do final step. I'm using this lip pencil which is from CQ. I'm using the maroon shade. Next I'm using this OJ lipstick. For borders I'm going to use a dark shade. I'm using a light shade to make my lips plumpy, and I'm using Eva Cosmetic L02.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
And here we are done with our mehendi look.